Magandang gabi po. Ayan o, may bagong barko na naman ang Pilipinas. So, bagong dating. Ayan po ang presidente natin. Dati mga presidente bumibili ng helicopter, mga sikanan, nangahagbong, nangahulog. Ayan po, ganda. Dito guys, nag-live ako guys sa TV ko na lang kasi hindi naman tayo makapunta sa Manila eh. Dito na lang tayo. Yan po, bagong barko. Ang dami na barko guys. Talagang sobra-sobra na. Si Pangulong Marcos.
BRP Raha Lakandula, PS1, will now render site voice honors to His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines. Side voice honors is a naval tradition where a team of uniformed sailors forms two parallel lines along a ship's quarterdeck or gangway to welcome or bid farewell to distinguished visitors, officials, or seniors. The number of side voice corresponds to the visitor's rank to show the level of prestige.
BRP Raha Lakandula PS21 is the second offshore patrol vessel added to the the Philippine Navy assets. The steel coating of PS21 commenced last 20 September 2024 at Hyundai Heavy Industries in Busan.
Yung mga bago talaga guys, hindi yung mga surplus.
Her keel laying ceremony was conducted last 22 December 2024 at
Tinisiraan lang kasi nila si Presidente, pero ayan po nakikita natin. Ayan ang barko. Bagong barko.
PS21 departed from South Korea last 30 April 2026 and arrived at Philippine waters on 04 May 2026. She was formally welcomed to the country through a passing exercise with BRP Jose Rizal, FFG-14, the Philippine Navy's flagship. She was christened last 26 May 2026 at Naval Operating Base Subic, Zambales, and will be under the administrative control of the Offshore Combat Force.
This offshore patrol vessel bears the name of a great Filipino leader and defender of our people, Raha Lakandula. He was the last Raha of Tondo, one of the most powerful kingdoms along the Pasig River prior to the arrival of the Spanish colonizers. Known for his courage, wisdom, and leadership, Raha Lakandula were to protect the interests of his people during a time of great change and uncertainty. As a noble ruler of Tondo, he maintained strong trade relations with neighboring kingdoms and played a vital role in the defense and stability of his domain. Despite the growing influence of foreign powers, he stood as a symbol of dignity, unity, and resistance among the early Filipinos. Raha Lakandula's legacy continues to inspire generations of Filipinos through his patriotism, leadership, and commitment to his people.
Talagang bagong-bago guys. So,
his legacy and his spirit into every mission.
Hindi talaga yan surplus, talagang bago.
PS21 is designed to perform maritime security, territorial defense, and sustained patrol operations.